Okay, now we have, there we go, single replacement, which is also called single displacement, because we have a single element that replaces an element in a compound. So you see T takes R's place, so now R is all alone, and T is with S. So, metal will replace metal, except we have to use the activity series because not all metals will replace others. Nonmetals can replace nonmetals, but that's really just the halogens. Activity decreases down the group, so fluorine is the most active. Some generalizations about the activity series of metals. Alkali metals have high reactivity. Okay? And these are also redox. Goodness gracious. There we go. Okay, so K is going to replace hydrogen. I know hydrogen's not a metal, but hydrogen is a positive ion. So when potassium replaces hydrogen, hydrogen is all alone. When hydrogen's all alone, it's H2. And now K with its plus 1 and OH with its minus 1 are now a couple. So see, K over here with 0 goes to plus 1, so K was oxidized, which makes it the reducing agent. Hydrogen goes from plus 1 over here to 0. So hydrogen was reduced, which makes it the oxidizing agent. Now we need 2 hydrogens, so then we need 2 hydroxides, so then we need 2 potassiums. Now in this one, tin would replace sodium. It is no reaction because tin is less active than sodium. So it would be as exciting as dropping a paperclip in a cup of water. Now here we have a halogen. Chlorine's a halogen, so it's going to replace the other halogen. Chlorine is higher in the periodic table than bromine, so it will do the replacing. So now bromine is all alone, which means it's got a 2. And now sodium with its plus 1 and chloride with its minus 1 are together. So we get NaCl. It's a really messy N, but it's still an N. So we need 2 there to balance the Cl, and 2 there to balance the N, A, and the bromine. And so look, chlorine is a 0 here, and then a minus 1. So this was reduced. So it was the oxidizing agent. Na is a plus 1 on both sides. So Na is a spectator ion. Then Br goes from minus 1 to 0. So it is oxidized, making it the reducing agent. So here are some. Pause this, try them, and then check the answers. Nickel would try to replace magnesium, but it's no reaction because nickel is less active than magnesium. Calcium will replace copper, so copper is by itself. Calcium with its positive 2, bromine with its minus 1. So there's our compound, and it's already balanced. Potassium will replace aluminum, so aluminum is all alone. And now we get K together with NO3 minus potassium nitrate. So KNO3. There's 3 there to balance the nitrate, and then a 3 to balance the potassium. Magnesium will replace silver. So silver's alone. Magnesium with its positive 2 goes with nitrate with its negative 1. We get Mg, NO3 in parentheses, and a 2. We need 2 there to balance the nitrate, and then a 2 to balance the silver.